We're ready.
Recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What's your name and the name of your business?
My name is Carsten and the name of the business is Guided Doing and my events company. Gaudi
One
Tours.
second. Thank you for that. Can you just roll up one sleeve or roll down the other sleeve for me? Thank you. Yeah,
This
thank
looks
you.
more nice or what?
Yeah. It'll like later on they're gonna go, oh no.
Here, do you want some help?
You look very smart both ways.
It looks nice. I like the yellow watch a lot.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's the shoes.
Oh, it's the band. So you have the smart, what is it, Android?
No, it's the.
I
Oh,
watched
that's the
it.
new, I'm so out of date. I don't even
You
know
ain't
what
working
the
in
new
a
Apple Watch
technology
looks
company.
like. Don't tell the boss.
It's the Ultra, right?
Yeah, it's the Ultra.
All right, we can continue now.
So are you asking questions or what?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So, what did you think about ChatGPT before you came to the mastermind?
Before I thought, okay, it's a nice tool and I could use it for some playing around and maybe it's helping me for getting improved my work.
Awesome. And what did you think? What do you think about it now?
Right now, when I went home yesterday, I thought, what the f- is this? I was really, I couldn't sleep. I must be honest. I couldn't sleep because it felt that it's changing my work and the world totally. As Manuel said, it's amazing. Like I don't have words for it.
That's awesome. And so, what do you think that you can leave here and apply, like using ChatGPT, and leave here and apply on what you learned to your business right away?
Give me that once again, please.
What specific?
I'm
is there
German, you
one-
must know I'm
one
German.
Sure. Is there one specific thing that you could leave here and use ChatGPT and what you learned for your business?
Yeah, of course. All the things what we learned here today is so amazing that I think I could really drop down my costs in almost every part of our business when it comes to creating content and creating ideas, creating everything what we are doing and outsourcing right now to people. I think we could definitely make some huge savings about that.
Nice.
But
And
this is not sent to Tom, right?
No, not yet. We'll do that last.
Ah, okay, good.
yeah. And then last, what was in your own words, what was your full experience like?
About the whole event or
Yeah,
the
the whole
technology?
event.
So I'm totally in love with events like that in person. After Corona, I'm events guy, right? And I love to see people smiling, getting new ideas, getting involved and getting connected to each other. And this technology does not bring it to a better situation, right? I think it looks like that this technology is putting our people a little bit more apart. So I really love to be on site and learning about technology.
Okay.
Great.
And we have one extra question. How did you find out about this event?
This nice video of Tom Cummins yesterday on Thursday night. Obviously, I really booked this event on Thursday night, 11 something, because I saw on Facebook Tom Cummins speaking in this interesting thought, and I thought, hey, this is Tom Cummins. I know him. This is not how he moves, and his hands are definitely looking different. So I thought I need to be here. It's funny.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Have a good one.